Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss file upload process for the hierarchy. File upload process, suppose if you have let me take a business scenario. So when we create a one profit center or cost center group hierarchy through the change request, okay, directly, right? So we can create like we can click on the uh, manage profit center group hierarchy and we can create the hierarchy, right? But if you have hierarchy in like multiple hierarchy which you have to create, maybe it may be 10, 50, 100, whatever, right? So how you can create in a single file upload process. Okay, so in the in the before session, right, we have created the profit center group hierarchy, profit center group and profit center, right? So this we have created through the change request and through the Fiori screen, right? So now we will create the multiple profit center hierarchy through the file upload process. Okay, so normally this is the file upload process which we follow. So before click on the file upload process, because I don't know what are the fields will be used to upload and what will the naming convention. So how I will come to know? The first we will, as you are new, you are doing the first time the file upload process, you don't know the exact column name. Okay, so which is like having the different naming convention. So in that case what I will do, I will download the file from the existing data if any data is there, right? So what I will do, I will first download the file with the existing data, so it means I can prepare my file format. So this is the entity type. So our entity type will be the profit center group hierarchy. So profit center hierarchy, so this is our entity type. Okay, type of transfer will be attributes and addition, we can take a addition any one, so we can take like May addition. Okay, so variant, I will show you the example of variant. So we don't have any variant, but okay, I will show you what is the use of variant when I will do the file upload process. Okay, so now here down I'm downloading this file. Okay, so I will take one profit center hierarchy just as an example. Say example, I can take this as an example. So because I need the uh, column names in the Excel format which I can upload through the upload process, right? So in the data row I will select the data row, and in data row what column I need to download, right? So first the controlling area, I will uncheck the change indicator, I don't need this one, I need the controlling area. Then profit center hierarchy and description, medium text and short, we can take the 4. Okay, and move to add. This one is added. Okay, then click on next. Separator, I can use the comma separator and then click on next. Execute download. So this is a save CSV file, save XLX file or another file download. So anyone you can do, right? So what I will do, I will click on the display file. Okay, so this is the display file. So I don't need this one to prepare my file, right? So what I will do, I will take only these two columns, and in the Excel I will open one Excel file and I will just paste it here. And the second thing what I will do, I just will remove asterisk here in data text to column. I will make it in a column format. So now it's in the column format. Okay, so what I will do here, the controlling area is sorry 001. Okay, so what can I do? I can move the hierarchy here. Okay, so this is my controlling area, this is a profit center hierarchy, and this is my medium text, and this is my short text. Okay, so whenever you are preparing the file, so remember the first thing, whatever row you don't want to upload, that should be commented. So we use the star for commenting the row. So it means this row will not be uploaded in the file upload process. So this row is just only for our reference purpose, that what are the columns and what values we have to enter in the file upload process. Okay, so now this is the file. Okay, this is the file format now, and this data is already exist hierarchy. This one I don't want to use this data, I will prepare my own data. Okay, so what I will do, I can use the T01 T01 PC hierarchy, and this is T01 PC short text. So I will create just 3 hierarchy here. Okay, you can create n number of hierarchy as per your requirement. I'm just taking only for the 3 example how to create 3. So now this file is prepared to upload for the hierarchy. So when we upload the profit center group file, a profit center hierarchy, so we need the hierarchy name, what is our controlling area, for which controlling area you are uploading the hierarchy, and medium text or short text, right? So I will save this file and close it. Okay, and this is, I will close it. So now this is the file download process. So now I know the column names, right? So before that I don't know, okay, what is the column name for this one. See, if you see this one, I don't know what is the exact name for this one, so I cannot prepare the file exact, right? If anything incorrect here in the column name, it will, the file upload process will not be done successfully. Okay, so I will close this one, and now in file upload process, okay, click on the file upload. So here I need to select the entity type. for which entity. So same profit center hierarchy and attributes addition. I can select here the June 19 variant. I cannot see any variant. So basically, what is variant? Let me explain the variant concept here. The variant is variant when you have the uh, when you select the column, what are the column to be selected and uploaded for the file process. So that time, if you have suppose like 20 columns in the file format, all right, but you want to have just upload 5 or 6, which those are the mandatory. So in that case, what you will do, you will move those column here. Say example, if I take the example here, this is the data row. So what I will do, I will select all 4 of them and will add here. Okay, so once you add here, just make sure open the file and this sequence should be match here, otherwise your file data will be incorrect and the system cannot upload your file successfully. Okay, because in controlling area here 001 which is matching description medium. So in description medium, what will happen, T01 will be passed as a medium description, and short description, this T01 will be passed, and for profit center hierarchy, this short description will be passed here, which is wrong. So we need to align the sequence here. So controlling area is in the correct place. Now we have to shift up profit center hierarchy. Okay, and description medium, this is correct format. Yeah, so now this is matching with our file format column. Okay, so click on the next. Now this is save variant. So now I will save variant, say example profit center hierarchy. Profit center hierarchy. Okay, so this variant is saved. If I go previous, okay, so now you will see the impact. I will remove the variant. I have variant here now because variant was saved, that's why I can see the variant here, but I'm not selecting any variant and will click on the next. Okay, so if you see here, I need to go again back, file upload, entity type profit center hierarchy, addition June 19, and variant, I'm not selecting any variant, click on next. So now you will see here, every time if you don't have variant and you don't save the variant, so every time what you have to do, you have to select all entity type and you have to move under the data row and you have to make the sequence which should be matched with your file columns. So every time you have to do this one, and if you save your variant in the first time, then you don't need to do this practice again and again. So you just save and click on next. So you will see here all the entity types under the data row is matching with our file format. Okay, so click on next. Now here overwrite or add record, here we are adding a new record, right? So we will select this one. We are not deleting, we are not adding any new attributes, right? Execute conversion, yes, we want to use the execute conversion. And file system, presentation server or application server. Presentation server means you can load, you can select the file from your desktop, okay, and the file will be selected and will process once you do the next. In present and in application server, when you select application server, you have to give the path name for the with the file name, right? So that's why we choose always the presentation server, and I will select the file. So before selecting the file, just make sure file should not be open. I will select the file, profit center group hierarchy, transfer, and here I can select the comma and comment row with star. So it means if any row is having this star, that means that is a comment row, that will not be the part of the upload process. Okay, so click on next. We'll see. Okay, it means our file is correct. So here we have to select the change request type. So we have to process profit center group hierarchy. So this type we have to select and enter the profit center hierarchy upload process and click on OK. So once you click on OK, so you can see here the 3 records which you are uploading. So these are the same as we have given in our file. So now we can open the file and we can match the record. So if you see the controlling area 001 and profit center hierarchy T01, T02 and T03. So if we don't align this column in the file upload process, so here the data can be mismatch, and the system will throw the error for the incorrect data. So description and description sort is matching. Okay, so now we will upload the execute upload process. So file is uploaded in change request 595. So it means now the file is uploaded under this change request number. So we will search for this change request number and will check and verify the data and approve the data. Okay, so click on here. Our change request is 595. Okay, my change request. So I can see the 595. This is my change request. Okay, so if you see, this is description and these are the profit center hierarchy. There are 3 records under this profit center hierarchy. So click on this and you can see the 3 records here, right? Click on the finalize processing, just verify the data. You have finalized the processing of change request. Okay, close. Again refresh. Again click on. Now the approval first step is done by the requester, and this one approver can review and approve the change request. So once the request is approved, you can see the data is created in the profit center hierarchy. So just refresh. Now if you see, change request can no longer be edited. Okay, so it means this change request is created, and you can see the finalized by my user ID, right? So and status final check approved. So now I can see the status. Close this one. So I will click on manage profit center group hierarchy. Click on here. Okay, so this is my controlling area 001 001 and search. Now you can see these three is created by me through the file upload process. Okay, so you can see that these three hierarchies created through the file upload process, and I have selected valid from date is June, so that's why the addition I have selected the June 19, so that's why it's coming the 1st June 2019, and valid to date, this is by default comes like 31st December 1999. So this is the upload process, how upload process work for the profit center hierarchy. So in the next session I will run the process for profit center group and profit center. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, so please leave a comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my channel.